travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your land destination. Welcome to a What I Eat in a Day, balanced and realistic on a rest day actually. And by the way, I am going to be measuring a few of my foods, so if that is triggering for you, you might want to skip past this part. But for breakfast, I am starting off with some cage-free egg whites. I've really been trying to make sure that I'm kind of like really hitting my protein goal, my fiber goal. I'm trying to eat more greens, so we're doing that. And then I measured out some spinach. Actually, my food scale just broke, so I actually need to order another one. But I've been tracking for on and off, not consistently, but I've been tracking my meals for a minute now. And honestly, I kind of have a good idea of, how much protein and carbs and stuff like that is in each food. But with my spinach, I just throw it in the pan, add my egg whites, and season it up. And by the way, at the beginning of the video, if you are wondering what I was putting in my coffee, it is collagen. I have really dark, not dark, yes, they are dark, but I have really thin natural nails. They literally always break, so I'm trying to get them stronger. So I've been taking some collagen, and I feel like it's been helping out a lot. But if you guys have any other remedies, let me know. By the way, I don't restrict myself from any kind of foods. I used to not eat dairy a lot because it would make me very, very bloated, but now I just have days where I will limit the amount of dairy that I am eating or drinking because I really, really, really love cheese. Like, it's insane the amount of cheese that I can eat in one sitting. So that's the only thing that I'll do because I don't like being painfully bloated. Like, of course, certain foods are going to make you bloat, but that painful bloating, it's a no for me. So this was my breakfast. Real simple, real easy. Like, literally my meals don't take a lot of time unless I'm trying a new recipe. But for the first time in a long time, I tried my protein with just water. Like, I didn't make a smoothie or anything, and I really liked it better for the chocolate. Maybe because I'm not too big on chocolate, but I liked it better with water and not with like a whole bunch of stuff. So if you have a hard time like taking your protein, meeting your protein goal, and you haven't tried it with just water yet, try it with water. It doesn't have that little chalky taste at all. I got my chicken, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes, and then I just finished my protein shake. Actually, I feel like I like the protein powder just with water by itself, so this is going to be my new way of drinking it. Boom, 25 grams of protein just with some water. Easy. Don't have to add in no fruits or anything to calculate, which I did have a banana earlier. And instead of having like my berries inside of a smoothie, I do prefer to eat blueberries, so I could just have some blueberries as a little late night snack. I just gotta fit it into, that's what works best for me because I get these little cravings towards the end of the night, and I'll be wanting like random stuff like ice cream or something. Like, why am I craving ice cream? I don't even eat ice cream like that. But I'm gonna try to finish this, even though I am kind of is you alright? I am kind of full from the protein shake, but I'm nowhere near my protein goal. What? That's not funny. I'm turning down. I'm nowhere near my protein goal, so I got some grilled chicken, veggies, and sweet potato. So we're gonna see. I'm not gonna overfeed myself to where, that feeling when you feel super, super, super full and you kind of just want to throw it back up a little bit. I have done that before when I binge eat. I literally just eat so much. I'm like past not even being hungry anymore. And my stomach just feels like I just stuffed it, which I did. I don't like that feeling. That's not a good feeling. I just want to feel like satiated, which I already feel. But because I haven't met my protein goal, I have to eat this. But Usually what I'll do if I feel too full is I'll eat some of it now and then wait like 2 hours to finish the rest. But this is my second actual meal. Yep. I love sweet potatoes so much. For dinner, I decided to try a new recipe, and this is called a sushi bake. I actually got it off of TikTok from this one content creator. Sorry, I'm gonna find the video for you because you guys need to follow her if you're not already. She is so funny. I love her videos. Her TikTok is gaming_foodie. And actually, let me insert the video. No, I'll link her video because she has all the directions, all the ingredients, all the measurements. So yeah, basically all you need is some salmon, some rice. I already have my rice cooked, so I'm just using leftover rice, and then some imitation crab. So actually, I would recommend getting fresh salmon. This is frozen salmon, and I hated this salmon. I did not like the way it cooked at all. I will actually never get this again. But I've been eating my salmon from like the one that's not frozen, and I'm obsessed with it again. For a long time I was eating salmon, and then I took a break from it because it just wasn't cooking right, and this was one of those pieces of salmon. Didn't like it at all. But basically you take your rice. If you don't have any cooked rice, just make a little pot of rice, mix it up with some cooked salmon. I threw my salmon in the air fryer and seasoned it up on both sides, of course. And then once you have that, you shred up your imitation crab. Honestly, I could have shredded my imitation crab a little bit smaller than this, but I didn't. So yeah, once you have that shredded, you add your sriracha, your mayo, and then mix it all together. Your seaweed, I guess, goes on top of the rice, and then you layer on your concoction and then put more seaweed on top. I rate this a 8.5 out of 10. It was really good. I would definitely make it again, but I would just use a better tasting salmon. So yeah, if you want to try a new little recipe, I recommend following her. She posts a lot of cool recipes that I would love to try, but of course I do have specific goals, so I'm not just out here just trying any old recipe. But today was just one of them days where it was a rest day, and I was like, I want to try something new. I already had the leftover rice, so here we are. But this was really good. This weekend was movie night, so for dinner, actually for dessert, I had me a little s'more using the Goya cookies, and it was so good. If you haven't tried a s'more using the Goya cookies, got that little hack from Jai Nice. Also follow her on TikTok. Y'all probably already follow all these people, not me, trying to get them some followers, but this was so good. We had the fireplace going in a little movie, and it was amazing. Dessert was a 10 out of 10, of course, but click on my next video for another eat in a day, what I eat in a day, high protein meals, whatever. Let me know what more y'all want to see in the comments because I'm really trying to give y'all all the cute little videos.